function of management. There is first function of the management is planning and control. We have already learned what is business management. There are four functions are have been carried out by the senior management and the board of director. Board of director and the management will have four main function, right? First one is planning, second one is control, then motivation, communication, then I will give you the correct order, then you can easily understand, otherwise it will be confusing. Planning and control, and leadership, motivation and communication. So we are going to learn that in this video. So first topic is functions of management, that is planning and control. First topic is planning and control. So what is meant by the planning? What is meant by the planning? We already discussed about this in a business environment, right? We have set the vision and mission for the organization, right? Vision and mission for the organization. For example, say I am running the garments industry, so my vision is to capture more than 80% of the market share within next 20 years. Or for example, take mission. Vision may be like this: in Sri Lankan people should we are ensuring that Sri Lankan people should wear good quality garments. That may be vision, right? Ultimate objective. Mission may be like this: within 20 years we will catch the 60% of the market share in the garments industry. So it may be vision and mission that is set by us. So where we have to go, what we have to be achieved, where we have to go, right? So where we have to go can be achieved if you know where you are now, right? That will be given by the SWOT results, right? For easiness we can say SWOT analysis. Actually that is not an analysis. So based on the environmental analysis we will get the strength, weakness, threat and opportunity as the results that is bared by us. So with using that we will formulate the strategy, we will plan the strategy. So that strategy formulation is the planning, right? So where we want to go, we found that. So where we are also, we found that. So we have to go from this place to this place, right? I am taking the very simple example. Before you go to Jaffna, you know where you are standing. Then only you can understand which number bus I have to take, which number train I have to take, whether I can go by train, whether I can go by bus. If it is not available, what the alternative way available to achieve that objective? That is planning. That is planning. We deciding what are the ways available, what are the ways we can use to achieve the strategy. That is planning. This is a very interesting subject. Actually BL4 is very interesting subject if you involve in the practical way. Think in this way and understanding in simple example. Your exam is only 2-hour paper. Most of the paper mostly consists of MCQ, right? Total ICQ paper, that is ICQ paper, that's MCQ, fill in the blanks, put right and wrong, that may be available, right? But 2-hour paper, so 2-hour paper will be not that much difficult. So you can easily understand. Don't try to read and remember the study pack. Try to understand the meaning of the planning. Planning means I know where I am here, I know where I want to go. So what are the ways? So I will plan what I have to do in this month, what I have to do in next month. That is planning, right? Planning definition is there. So definition will not be give the good understanding of that. Think like that, right? Plans are formal statement of direction to go there. So it's a direction, ways, strategy, all are the planning. Strategy, direction, ways, then competences. So what are the competences I should have? That is also plans. right? The planning process suggests a sequence of strategy analysis, strategy generation, and evaluation, a choice of best alternatives. Right now, I already told this. I want to go Trincomalee, so I am standing in Colombo. So, for example, in sequence of order, first strategy analysis. So I will analyze me first. I will analyze environment first. First thing, I will analyze the strength and weakness of me. I will say I can book a Uber. So it will at least cost 6,000 or 7,000, at least 10,000. Assume I don't know exact cost. Assume from Colombo to Trincomalee, 10,000 for Uber booking. If Colombo to Trincomalee, bus booking for 2,000. Train booking was 1,000. So 3 alternatives there. So I have found the best. So strategy analysis. So I have found the strategy. Right? 3 strategies there. I can use best option. Right? Then strategy generation. I already the formulating strategy. We found the strategy. Then we have to formulate the strategy. We have found the what are the strength I have. Right? So 3 ways available to go Trincomalee. Right? If I have the 10,000 money, so if I used to book a Uber and go by there, so I can use that strength. Right? I can use that opportunity. If Uber is there, if Uber is not there, it's a threat. Threat of having no taxi. So if a train or bus there, it's a opportunity. We can use the train or bus instead of using the Uber taxi or pick me taxi, right? So that is the strategy analysis. We have to see whether what the strategy we can choose. Then strategy generation. So we understood and we are undertaking one strategy. We using alright Uber booking I will take. Uber taxi will be my transportation my transportation mode for going from Colombo to Trincomalee. So it will be the strategy generation, right? The choice of best alternative we already chosen which one is best one based on the strength and weakness, opportunity and threat. Then evaluation whether that strategy is correctly going. If you want to go Trincomalee, you should go Colombo to this way is there. That road he has to go. If driver going in different way, something wrong in his behavior. So we have to check time by time check. After 2 hours we will have to see where I have, whether I am in between the Colombo to Trincomalee road. If he bring to separate place, we have to say him, please don't go this way, why are you using this way? Sometimes he may tell that road heavy rain and floods there, so I am using alternative ways. So we have to evaluate why this going in different path, right? That should be there. Evaluation should be there, and we have to control. Control means we have to talk in him and we have to adjust. So if it is, for example, in Trincomalee, unfortunately tsunami has come now in Trincomalee side, so we can change our trip. We can say no, this time I don't want to go Trincomalee, we will go in up country, we will go in central province, we will go in Nuwara, Kandy. So we can change the objective, right? That is mean controlling process, whether we can change the objective, whether we can change the our strategy. We can say right, tsunami came, no problem, we can hire a ship there. So if a ship hire, so we will not be sunk there. I am just assumption and taking and giving you to understand easily, right? I know organization also same thing happening, right? If for example we have got a opportunity, we are construction company, we have got an opportunity to build one mall in a complex in the Colombo, right? We will see whether that opportunity can be taken. Right, we have to see whether we really have the engineers to take that construction, or we will really have the cash, or we will really have the people to work that construction. We will see that, if right, and we have the opportunity. Okay, even though we don't have the people or cash to cash with us, but we can hire from outside. Money also we can take loan. So we are formulating the strategy. What are the strategy available? And using the best one, and use that. If interest rate for overdraft is less and interest rate for loan is more, means if in overdraft facility also can be taken equal to the loan facility, so we should take the low or overdraft facility. If cash deficit, so interest cost is low, that is a choice of best alternative. Right? Once we take that, and we will start the construction. When construction going on, we will see whether this money is correctly stage of completion is there. Within 3 months I have to complete the foundation. Within 6 months I have to complete the first floor. Then once the first floor finishes, our completion, our selling price, portion of the selling price can be given to us. Then only we can match with our cost, and we can go with the parallelly. We can parallelly go with the this cost and sales. Right? That is planning. So there are many type of plans. There is a general idea. It's a general idea of planning. Right? Plan is consciously intended course of action. Business plan come in a number of forms. Describe below type plan. Single use plan. Plans that focus on a unique situation or one specific event. These plans are unlikely to be repeated. Example include plans for individual project, plans for action programs, and budget for single financial period. For example, audit process also same thing. We are planning based on the draft accounts provided to us. Draft account is this much and transaction also this much. So planning and allocation of the staff will be based on that study. So next year may be different, right? So we can change. So single use plan, that plan will not be used for each and every year. One time planning and did the work, finished. ERP system implementation. So plan the works and allocate the resources and do that work and finish. So once we go to another company to implement the ERP system, assume we are IT company, so that company company's environment, company's accounting system and company's operating system are different than the company that we have previously worked and implemented the same ERP system. So we have to plan differently to that company, right? Then we can easily cope up with the changes in the different companies. So the single use plan, one time planning and doing. For example, you are doing the O-level this time. So for O-level studying and A-level studying is different. You can't use the both plan in same. So you are saying I have to finish 9 subjects there in O-level. So you have to complete the 1 subject in 1 month, and 9 months 9 subject has to be completed to done the O-level. But A-level only 3 subjects, right? You can plan by 3 months, 9 months. You can finish within 1 year. So chartered also same thing. 4 subjects, only 6 months available, 1.5 months for 1 subject, right? Then 6 months, 4 subjects. So you can easily pass the business level 1. So planning and timing and planning resources allocation are different in each and every plan. That is single use plan. Then standing plan. Plans focus on repeated situation, overall policy, procedure, rules and design to ensure the internal operation are running smoothly. For example, take sales invoice are created by the one person. So we are implementing the it may be standing plans may be one of the part of the single use plan. For example, we implement the ERP system to the company, maybe single use plan, right? After implementing the ERP system, we will say check should be write in this way. So we are planning how to write the check. We say once you receiving the invoice, you have to get the approval from finance manager. Once he approved and say from which bank you have to pay this invoice, then you select the invoice and write the voucher and print the check. Then give it to sign and give to accountant. Accountant will check and give it to finance manager. Finance manager also approved and give it to directors. 2 directors sign. There are 2 directors to sign in checks in many companies. So we have already planned this works. So each and every day you will do same thing. So standing plans are maybe mostly used for the small part of the main plan, main activity, right? Sales invoice also same thing. There is a procedure. So then contingency plan, it means for example, fire insurance, accident insurance, vehicle insurance are did in prediction of the contingency. What happen if fire accident met in our office, our organization? So we are planning for contingency. It is not happening, but we are thinking, assuming and predicting. Hypothetical thinking means contingency. It may be happen. Why we can say it may be happen? Because it's already happened in another company. Another company which is located in Columbia area. For example, take in Main Street. So in Main Street, there was a fire accident in near building. So we think near building was fire accident today, they have not insured their property and their inventory, so they may lose everything. They will not get return anything, no claims. So we think about that, and we also have to insure for next 10 years. But next 10 years, are you sure will fire accident will come? We don't like to take that accident also. We are just plan and taking the contingency and do the, so that is a do the insurance. So that is a contingency. We hypothetical think means we have experience in we have taking the experience of another person. Then hypothetically, if it is happen to me, what I have to do? So I plan for that event and I will work for that. That is contingency planning. That is also happening in organization. For example, take one chartered accountant is available to do the accounts. So for example, if he die or if he resign, company don't have the people to do the works. That's why all the companies are having assistant accountant, not the accounts assistant accountant who also chartered accountant sometime. So who also equal to chartered accountant at least. So he will learn his works. So once he resign, so new ones comes, he can share the knowledge. Otherwise he can be promoted. Accounts assistant accountant can be promoted and new one recruited is the, so both are chartered accountant, post only different. So keeping the two chartered accountant there. One is like a reserve assistant accountant. So that is contingency plan. Then why we need the plan? So why have to plan? Why have to plan? Easy question. Easy answer is because we have to check whether or we have to achieve our objective in an easy way. We have to find the alternatives, right? We can use this way to understand that there are many advantages given. Why we need the plan means what are the advantages? What are the advantages of why we need the training of article for you? You have the article training article in the audit firm. Why you need? What is the advantage? That's meaning, right? Why means it's an advantage. Why you need? You should have the experience. You should have the competence. Mostly you should have the that criteria should be completed in order to face the final exam. Without 3 years experience, you can't sit for the case study. SL5, right? So first example, help organizers take the long view and avoid short termism, while in the same time providing a sensible approach to understanding of the future. So we can, if I plan the things, we can easily predict the future, right? For example, take if we are planning to have the insurance. So planning to have the insurance for our inventory of property. If next year fire accidents comes, we don't need to make the provision. We can plan. We can plan whether insurance can be destroy our business. No destroys, right? It was happened in 2004. After tsunami comes, there is no insurance for tsunami in vehicles. No insurance was given for all the vehicles. No insurance was given for buildings. Fire under the fire accident, no tsunami is there. After 2004, now fire insurance means included all the natural disaster. Now, before not before 2004, after before 2004, they passed and rules that fire accident means all the thing. Fire accident means natural disaster also as the fire accident come under that rule. You can have the rule of fire accident insurance and read that. Then you will understand that it's really available. It guides allocation of resources. If I plan we can know how much of resources we have to allocate that, right? Coordinate activities, various parts of the organization, ensure integration of operational management decision into a higher strategy, the wide organization context and longer term goals. Once the plan will be plans are the we learn the plan have the 3 types of plan, right? Mainly we have the 3 types of plan. But in hierarchy level, we plan for strategic level, board of management level. Second, we plan for tactical level, right? The third one we plan for operational level. That's line staff, board of directors, managers, then line staff. So plan for each level means we can easily coordinate their works. right? For example, check is printed by accounts assistant means that is the operational part plan, right? Then it's approved by the accountant and manager means it is a technical part. Then signed by the directors means it's a strategical part. So we can easily coordinate, we can easily match the works if planned. If not planned, don't know who doing this one, we don't know. We just printing and keeping the general manager finance also keeping. We don't know what I have to do next. So their plan should be there to coordinate the works. For example, take you are going to study the BL4 today, right? If you plan to complete only one subject in BL4 today, so you can spend tomorrow for the BL1 or BL2 another subject to spend at least 12 hours to finish the one subject. If you are not planned, you will not finish this subject even today. So if you finish that tomorrow, another subject will have to be studied. So you plan and coordinate the works. So sequence the works. That is we need. That is the objective of the main objective of the planning, right? So we single use plan, standing plan, and contingency plan. Single use plan, one time using, and continuous planning means we continue using that plan. Third one, contingency plan, hypothetically think and do. That is the general idea of type of plan. But in company level hierarchy, based on the hierarchy, there are strategic level plan, tactical level plan, then operational level plan. Understand that properly. Then plan will give the standard procedure. I already told this. If I plan the works, it automatically give you the procedure. If you are try to do the study the one chapter morning time, if you are try to practice the past paper in evening time, if you do that at least 1 month, after second month also you are try to do that. So it will be standard in organization also. Same thing happening. One manufacturing company planning their works in a sequence order. It will be once that staff who are work in that stages, that process maybe resign in next year. So next year staff will come and we don't need to again plan. We can give these persons did these works. You can go and sit in this chairs, this table. You will be taken this part of the manufacturing process and you can do. Therefore standard will give you the standard planning will give you the standard procedures, right? So many advantages. Comfort provided the finances particular encourage suppliers and employees to think in terms of long-term relationship. It means when you request a loan from the bank will request a budget or forecast for next 3 years. How can you settle our installment? So if you have in our forecast, if you have the cash deficit, definitely will not give the loan. But otherwise deliberately we can't include the cash surplus, right? Cash surplus also will come operational cash flow, then financing cash flow, and capital cash outflow and inflow. So these three type of cash outflow and inflows there. Based on that only cash surplus in a month and will decide, or in a year and will decide. So we should plan for that. Then only we can understand where we are losing money, where our money are wastage of expenses are going. We can stop that. So plan will give you the correct symptoms of our business also having the disease, right? Think like that. Business also having disease. If the symptoms comes, for example, cash deficit may be a disease for the defect for the business, right? Take as a defect, then disease defect for the business. So losing the good staff also defect for the business. So we have to plan how much of staff may be reduced in next year. So if 54 years, so there may be 10 staff, they are going to be retired, going to touch the retired age next year. So 10 staff is to be recruited next year. So we have to plan that. So how much of staff will be resigned next year? How much of staff will be retired next year? So we should understand. Sometimes finance and manager and 3 directors may be resigned or retired in next year. So we need to find the person now. Otherwise we need to find the way to take the equal person in next year at least. That's why we need a plan, right? It's calling as comfortable provider of not only finance, so resource, any resources, right? And also planning, then planning and control cycle. It gives the steps. What are the steps available in planning? First, I already told. First, we have to set the objective, right? Before doing the plan, we have to do the objective. Second one, you have to find the ways to make the objective. Third one, evaluate the each strategy. If I go to I want to go say I want to go Puttalam, so I am now standing in Kandy. So Kandy to Puttalam is my objective. I have to go from Kandy to Puttalam. It's my objective. So what are the alternative courses available? I can go by three-wheel. I can go by the taxi. I can go by the bus. I can go through the air. No airport is available in Kandy, so you can't go by the air. But helicopter, through the helicopter you can go, right? So I understood what are the alternatives available. The second one, each alternative is the different cost. So whether that cost can be borne by me, whether that risk can be taken by me, right? We have to evaluate the strategy. Third one, we choose the best strategy and implement the strategy. Fifth one, after implementing strategy, we have to evaluate whether actually that planning 5-step finished within the planning. So next one, we evaluating whether that strategy is going well. Fourth, next one, control process. You have to change at least our strategy, at least our objective. At least we taken all the alternatives again and evaluate again and again choose. If strategy is failure, right? So we are trying to go through the helicopter from Kandy to Puttalam, but we plan everything and we order the helicopter also. Within 1 hour I have to go, but suddenly helicopter that company may say our helicopter